In this video, you will learn how to assemble and operate your new Greenworks lawnmower. Please note this is not a substitute for reading the operator's manual. For more detailed instructions and safety warnings specific to your model, consult the operator's manual provided. Let's get started. Assembling your mower. At the base of the handle, there are two knobs. Pull and turn the knobs 90 degrees. Unfold the lower handle and place the upper handle on the ground. Turn the handle knobs 90 degrees until they engage the holes in the brackets. Loosen the knob and remove the bolts at the top of the lower handle. Align the holes in the upper handle with the holes in the lower handle. Insert the bolt into the hole and tighten the knob. Repeat this step on the other side. The battery. Charging the battery. Charge the battery by aligning the grooves on the charger and sliding it into place. The charger light will turn on to indicate it's charging and will turn green when fully charged. Installing the battery. Open the battery door. Remove the safety key. Align the ribs on the battery pack with the grooves in the battery compartment. Push the battery pack into the battery compartment until the battery locks into place with a click. Insert the key and close the battery door. Removing the battery. Open the battery door and remove the safety key. Push and hold the battery release button and pull the battery from the compartment. Store the key in a safe place, such as inside the empty compartment, and close the battery door. Operating your lawnmower. Do not use the mower without first reading and understanding the safety considerations outlined in the manual. Safety first. Before starting, put on safety glasses and check that there are no people, pets, or loose objects nearby. Starting the mower. Push and hold the start button. Pull the bail lever in the direction of the handlebar. Once the mower has started, you can release the start button. To stop the mower, release the bail lever. Using the self-propelled drive while mowing. Start the mower. While holding the bail lever, push the self-propel lever towards the handlebar. To stop the self-propel drive, release both levers. Adjust your drive speed by using the speed control switch. Push the switch towards the rabbit symbol to increase the speed, and pull the switch towards the turtle symbol to decrease the speed. You can adjust the speed while the motor is running by holding both levers in your right hand and adjusting the speed with your left. You can use the self-propel drive even when you're not mowing. Simply pull the self-propel lever towards the handlebar. Release the lever to stop. Storing your mower. Wait until the mower is cool before storing. Remove the grass catcher, the safety key, and the battery. Loosen the bolts on either side of the handle and fold the upper handle down. Turn the knobs at the base of the handle 90 degrees to release the handle. Fold the handles onto the mower. Properly maintained, your Greenworks lawnmower is built to provide you with years of great service. Still have questions? Contact us at greenworkstools.ca.